Hello, students. Today, you may be making a blackout poem. You may be writing a rap or a song, or you can make a blackout poem. Blackout poems are a lot of fun and a way that you can get really creative without actually having to write. You're just thinking about how you want to put words together. I think they're really fun, and I found a website that makes it really easy to create these things. So, over on the left side of the screen, you will see we have three texts to choose from. We have Alice in Wonderland, we have Pride and Prejudice, and we have Heart of Darkness. I'm going to choose Heart of Darkness for the sample because that's the last book that I read while I was in college, or it's the most recent book I've read on this list. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm looking for. Now, when we're making a blackout poem, we don't want to use too many words, so I'm setting a limit on 15 words. 15 words. So that's the most that you can choose. You choose words on this website by clicking them. So maybe I want the first word of my blackout poem to be the, and maybe I want the second one to be anchor. Okay? So you choose words by clicking them. I'm not going to pay too much attention to how it looks right now, but let's say that I want to include the word thing and then interminable. I like the word welded, so maybe I choose that. Ooh, drifting seems like a good word. So does clusters. So you can play around with these, and by playing around, I mean if I don't like a word anymore, because I only get 15 words, I have to choose wisely, I can always go back to the word and unclick it. All right? So I have a while to go, or a ways to go. There's a lot of text here. I think Alice in Wonderland is even a little bit longer than the Heart of Darkness is. So feel free to play around. I think it's cool if you get words from like the whole thing, because it just makes for a longer looking poem. It's kind of fun when your eyes have to go all the way from the top to the very bottom in order to make sense. And whenever you are ready, whenever you are satisfied with your poem, you come down here and you click Blackout. Then you can scroll back up and see what you created. So mine currently reads, the anchor thing interminable, welded drifting clusters flatness. Companies looked behind hearts. Wow, that's actually not bad. Companies looked behind hearts seems deep. But let's say that I hate that. Like it ended up looking stupid, or I didn't like it. Then I can go back up here, or go back down here, I'm sorry, hit reset, and it resets the whole thing. Now there are none of my words in boxes anymore. It resets the whole thing. You can also play around with other texts. But whenever you are done, I'm going to do a few words down here. Then you can go all the way to the bottom. One more time, I'm in Alice in Wonderland. This time hit Blackout. I'll see my poem here, and then when I'm ready to get the picture, I hit render full text. When I hit render full text, I will see it comes up with like just a picture of my text. So I need to find a way to save that to my computer and then upload the blackout poem to your Google slideshow. So I can do that by right-clicking. By right-clicking, I mean using 2 fingers on the keypad or on the mouse pad, and then clicking with 1 finger. So 2 fingers pressed on the mouse pad and then clicking with that 3rd finger. You do that, you will see an option to save the image or maybe copy the image. You just need to find a way to get that into your slideshow. For me, it's easier to copy the image. For you, it might be easier to save it and then upload it for your computer. As long as it gets in the slideshow, you'll get full credit. All right, that's all I have for you. Email me if you have any questions, and I hope to see you this afternoon in our Google Meet. And I really, really look forward to reading your blackout poems. I'll see you later.